My dear friend, how are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are seeing the 30 most important MCQ question of electric based on the electricity. The first question of the electricity is, what is the SI unit of the electric current? Option A, volt. Option B, ampere, option C ohm, option D watt. The correct answer will be B ampere. Question number 2. Which instrument is used to measure the electric current? Option A voltmeter, option B ammeter, option C galvanometer, option D ohmmeter. The correct answer will be ohmmeter. Electric current are measured with help of the ohmmeter. Question number 3. The SI unit of the potential difference is A. Ampere, B. Watt, C. Volt, D. Ohm. The correct answer will be ohm. Option C is correct. Question number 4. Which instrument is used to measure the potential difference? Ammeter, voltmeter, ohmmeter, battery. The correct answer will be voltmeter. Question number 5. The SI unit of the resistance is option A volt, option B ampere, option C ohm, option D joule. Correct answer will be ohm. Option C is correct. Question number 6. Ohm's law is represented by A. P is equal to V into I, B. V is equal to IR, C. E is equal to MC square, D. H is equal to I square RT. The correct answer will be B. V is equal to IR. Question number 6. 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt प्रति एम्पियर, 1 ampere प्रति volt, 1 watt प्रति ampere, 1 joule प्रति coulomb. The correct answer will be A. Question number 8. The flow of electric charge is called resistance, voltage, current, power. The correct answer will be C, current. I is equal to delta Q upon delta T. Question number 9. The commercial unit of electric energy is joule, watt, kilowatt hour, volt. The correct answer will be C, kilowatt hour. Question number 10. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to A. 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule, 360 joule, 1000 joule, 36 joule. Correct answer will be A. Question number 11. Resistance of the conductor depends on length, area of cross section, material, all of these. The correct answer will be all of these. It means the resistance of a conductor depends on length, cross section of area, and quality of the material. It means R is equal to rho L upon A. Question number 12. The SI unit of electric power is A. Joule, B. Watt, C. Volt, D ampere. Correct answer will be B watt. Question number 13. Electric power is given by P is equal to VI, V is equal to IR, R is equal to V upon I, D I is equal to V upon R. Correct answer will be A. Question number 14. Which material is good conductor of electricity? Rubber, plastic, copper, wood. Correct answer will be copper. Question number 15. The filament of an electric bulb is made of copper, aluminum, tungsten, silver. Correct answer will be tungsten. Question number 16. In a series circuit, the current is different everywhere, same throughout, zero, infinity. Same throughout. Option B is correct. Question number 17. In a parallel circuit, the voltage across each branch is different, same, zero, infinity. B is correct, same. 18. The heating effect of current is given by Joule's law, Newton's law, Ohm's law, Faraday law. The correct answer will be Joule's law. Question number 19. Which fuse wire has a low melting point? Copper, aluminum, alloy of tin and lead, silver. Correct answer will be C. Alloy of tin and lead. Question number 20. The reciprocal of resistance is called conductor, voltage, power, energy. Called the conductance. Question number 21. Which device convert the electric energy into the mechanical energy? Bulb, heater, electric motors, fuse. Question. Which device convert electric energy into mechanical energy? That is known as electric motor. Option C is correct. Question number 22. Electric energy consumed in the calculated by power into time, current into resistance, voltage into resistance, current into time. The correct answer will be power into time. Question number 23. If resistance increase, the current will increase, decrease, remain same, double. So resistance increase, current will be decrease. Option B is correct. Or we can say the product of the resistance and current equal to the potential drop between two terminals. Question number 24. A voltmeter is connected in series, parallel, both none of the. Correct answer will be B, parallel. Question number 25. An ammeter is connected in parallel, series, both none of these. Correct answer will be series. Question number 26. Which of the following has the highest resistance? Copper, silver, nichrome, aluminum. The correct answer will be C, nichrome. Nichrome has the highest resistance. Question number 27. The formula of the electric energy is given by E is equal to Pt, E is equal to IR, E is equal to V upon R, E is equal to I square. Correct answer will be E is equal to Pt. Option A is correct. Question number 28. A watt bulb consumed how much energy in 10 hour? 1 kilowatt hour, 10 kilowatt hour, 0.1 kilowatt hour, 100 kilowatt hour. Correct answer will be 1 kilowatt hour. Question number 29. Which effect of the current is used in electric iron? Magnetic effect, chemical effect, heating effect, light effect. Correct answer will be C. Heating effect. The last question and important question. The resistance of an ideal conductor is infinitive, very high, 0, 1 ohm. The correct answer will be 0. Option C is correct. Thank you so much. Nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video.